It's very juicy. Stunning. Clovey. Bloomin' love clove. Hi guys, so for today's video I have my second Lush Boxing Day haul to share with you guys. I will do the third one in the next couple of days because it's a lot of stuff. I do actually have them both here, but because it's so much I don't want to do like a really long video, so I'll split it into two videos because I want to include a giveaway as well. So if I include a giveaway and the hauls, I feel like I'll be here for like an hour, so I'll split them into two to make it a bit more, I don't know, manageable, I guess. So the first lot of stuff contains 3 parcels, and then the video that I'll do next is one huge parcel. So we'll dig in. This is the first parcel. The first small parcel. It's not that small. I'm sorry, I'm filming this at night and the baby's in the next room, so I'm trying to be like as quiet as I can be. Do excuse my hair as well. This is just like dried hair and I've put a bit of serum on it. It's been one of them days. I don't actually know what's in here. I'm just going to dig stuff out. So the first thing we've got is a Christmas capybara bath bomb. This guy is usually £4.50 and I got him for £2.25. I think he's never mind the ballistic scented. So he's a really sort of lovely, zingy, orangey. Oh. I actually sniffed that into my lungs. Really lovely, refreshing, fruity, orangey scent. Love him. Then this one I was so happy about because on my original order it had sold out and I couldn't get them, and I was actually so upset. I did keep checking for days and days after to see if it did come back on, and it didn't. When did it come back on? It was quite late in the game that it came back, and I hopped right on it as soon as I saw them. It is the Shoot for the Stars bath bomb. If you know me, I absolutely adore anything in Honey I Wash the Kids scented, and obviously this is that scent. So it's a stunning, beautiful honey, toffee, caramelly scent. It's just beautiful. This one used to be bigger. It used to be a normal size bath bomb with like 3 of these stars in, and then this year they did shrink it down, which I know a lot of people were very sad about. So hopefully next year it comes back in big form again. But I got 6 of these, so I'm stocked up and I'm happy. What's that? I suppose that's like 1 bath every 2 months, isn't it, I guess? But I'm extremely happy I managed to get 6 of these. So originally for the 6 it would have been £22, and no, that's a lie, sorry. Originally for the 6 it would have been 24 and I got them for 12. So I'm very, very happy with that. Oh, I can. There we go. There's the 6. Very happy. Gonna have blue fingers for the rest of this, do apologise. I'm so sorry if I keep looking here as well. I've just got the baby monitor behind, just praying that he doesn't start shuffling. The next thing I grabbed is a Witchy Woo bubble bar. This was originally £7 and I got it for £3.50. I did get one of these when it was Halloween and it's just blooming gorgeous. Can't remember the scent. Zesty, maybe? It's gorgeous though. Really zingy, zesty scent. Slightly limey, I'd say. Very nice. I think I do have a little bit of a chunk of one left, but I'm very glad that I have another as well. This is gorgeous. And like for £3.50, a bubble bar that big, you can't really go wrong with that, can you? Oh, that's a shame. I ordered a Sugar Plum Sparkle bubble bar. Obviously didn't realise what I was ordering. So this is clearly a mini one that you'd probably get out of a gift set. Was £6, got it for £3. It had a picture of the regular one, I swear. I mean, that's beautiful though. This is gorgeous. To me, it's like a mix of the Comforter and Snow Fairy. Just beautiful. Again, did I use this one out the other day? Actually, I think I did use it out the other day because I thought, well, I've got another one on the way. May as well. I'll have to make this last now, ain't I? Never mind. Then I managed to get one of these, which I'm really happy about. I couldn't get my hand on the gift set, unfortunately, which I was gutted about. It is one of the little bears. Now, there was a gift set of these with 3 in, and I was dying to get that, but unfortunately that did sell out. But then this one popped up when all of these other ones did. This is the Violet Bear Bath Bomb. was originally 4 down to 2. See, I wasn't sure I'd like the scent. I believe this is Daddy-O's scent, and I can't remember that. I would have smelt it when I was younger because I believe they had was it a conditioner or a shampoo? And I definitely smelt that. But in my head, it wasn't ringing any I love that bells. So I wasn't sure whether to get multiple. But smelling this, I wish I had got more now. My eyebrows sticky uppy. But never mind. Sort of smells like Parma violets. Very lovely. He's going to be cute. I'm so glad I got one of these. Adorable. My hands. And I think, is this the last thing out of this box? Yes, it is. Again, it was proper chuffed about this. I'm assuming this was in the sale because perhaps, is it on its way out of date? No. It's a Sticky Dates lotion that's very juicy. I don't know why this was in the sale then. So this was in the sale. It's the 250 gram, which I'm very happy about. I've said in multiple videos, I'm running low on lotions, so I really needed to stock up. And I missed out on the large Snow Fairy and I was only able to get a small. So when this popped up, I jumped on it. Yeah, so this was half price, originally 22 down to 11. I don't know why it was half price, but it was. I don't think it's going anywhere, so I wouldn't panic. Maybe it's being relabeled or something, I don't know. But gorgeous. Everyone loves Sticky Dates. Just pure golden syrup smelling. Stunning. Right, we finished one box. Let's open the other. Now, the stuff in this box was, don't know if anyone else experienced this or heard about this. Basically, I'm on a group for Lush kitchen box and stuff, and people were commenting their hauls and like if they had any issues on the app and things like that on there. So I was keeping track on there. Somebody posted on there saying, if you go on another device or somebody else's phone, go on the app, there'll be other things in stock. So stuff that's on your phone out of stock will be in stock on their phone. And I was like, excuse me. So I grabbed Barry's phone, went on there, lo and behold, they were right. I was like, what? So I went on there. There was 4 things that I've got here. Well, I've got multiples of them as well that were in stock on his phone that weren't on mine. So I pounced on it. And one thing in particular, I was very happy about. So first thing that's sticking out, which I'm extremely excited about, is the Hot Toddy wax melts. I got 2 of these. It's just pure Christmas, this, honestly. It's cinnamon, but sweet. It's gorgeous. Clovey. Blooming love clove. So these were originally 16 for both, but I got them for £8 for both, if that makes sense. Well, yeah. These were both £8. Gorgeous. So I got those. Look at the back of these as well, how gorgeous. So very happy about those. Now these next things, literally the sale, all I wanted was this and these. I'm so happy I managed to get them. But in my original haul, again, they weren't in stock. They were out of stock. I'd missed it and I could have cried, honestly, because I literally didn't purchase any more before the sale because I was like, I'll get it in the sale, being cocky. And then it didn't happen. But then when this girl said about this hack, they were on Barry's phone. I was like, thank God. The big ones weren't in the sale, but the small ones were. So I originally put 3 in my basket and then I thought, is that a bit greedy? And then I took one out. My star has gotten very juicy by the looks of it. That needs a good mix back together, but it's fine. Is this one juicy? Yeah, they're both very juicy. But I managed to get 2 and I'm extremely happy. I'm gonna savor those with my life. If you were gonna buy both of those, normally it'd be £16 for both of them, but I got both of them for £8. Yay. Then I grabbed again, because I like having one of these about, because when I get out of the shower, I'll tell you what it is first. It's a Snow Fairy dusting powder, and I'm running out of my other one, which has lasted me like a year. It's lasted me ages. Whenever I hop out the shower and stuff, I just love to put on a big pair of pants and a big baggy t-shirt, and that's my nightly comfy-ness. And I'm a bit of a bigger gal, so I do get a bit chafy. So, I know you guys don't mind. It's not TMI to you. I know you don't mind. So put a bit of this in between your thighs and it just takes the chafe away. So I got one of those. That was originally £9.50 and got it for £4.75. And then the last thing in here, which I was very glad I got as well, I think this one was out of stock until I found it on Barry's phone, and it is the, what do you call it, Snow Bear soap, which was originally 6 down to 3. And I got this because, yes, a lot of people told me that this smells like the Spit and Hand Cream, which I believe is snow cake scented. And I really love that hand cream. I thought, wow, isn't that perfect? If I have this in my bathroom, use this and then use my hand cream, that's just a lovely combo, isn't it? So I got one of those, which I'm extremely happy about, and it's very, that's going to be lovely. The next thing in here is for you guys. So let's open this up. So these are to add to the giveaway. And then once I've showed you, well, actually, should I just get all the giveaway stuff ready? Hang on, let me get all the giveaway stuff for you guys. So the 2 things that were just in that haul, which are going to be in the giveaway, I'll show you what's in the giveaway and then I'll tell you what to do to enter. So the first thing is a Sleepy Bear shower gel, which is a lovely sort of lavender scent. Then we've got an Elfish shower jelly. I am going to tape these up real good when I send them, so I'm hoping they don't leak. So you've got those 2 that were in that order as well. And then in the rest of the giveaway, we've got, you're going to get one of the Shoot for the Stars bath bombs as well. You're going to get a Snow Quiet Angel shower jelly, which is covered in bath bomb dust from the haul the other day. I've popped this to one side for you guys. I will give it a wipe over before I send it you. So you've got that one as well. So you've got 2 shower jellies, my 2 favourite shower jellies as well. Then you've got a Snow Fairy soap as well. You have a, what's this called? Dreaming of a White Christmas bath bomb. This one is actually mine, that's why it's wrapped up, but yours is in my other box. There are 2 more things as well, which are in the giveaway. I'll pop them here. It is a Mother Christmas bath bomb and a butter, what's it called? Something Bear bubble bar as well. But they're also in this other box, which is going to be another video. So that is everything you're getting in the giveaway. To enter, unfortunately with this giveaway, I know I've done international ones before, but with my last international one I did have a little bit of a hiccup. It was a bit difficult for me to, I didn't even have the products. I was gonna purchase them on the website and get them sent to the person's house, but I think their country didn't support Lush website or something. It was, I can't remember what it was. It wasn't the girl's fault. It was, I should have looked into it a bit more in depth before I said, oh, I'm going to do worldwide. So before I agree to do worldwide again, I need to properly look into it. So this one, unfortunately, is just going to have to be a UK giveaway, and I hope that's okay with you guys. So if you want to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed. That is 1 entry. You can pop down there, I'm subscribed, please enter me. If you want more entries, head over to my TikTok, head over to my Instagram. Each follow on each of those platforms is an entry. You can follow me on one, you can follow me on both. It's completely up to you. So just put in your comment what you've done. You could say I'm subscribed and I've followed you on TikTok, 2 entries. You can say I'm subscribed, I've followed you on both, 3 entries. Do you get the gist? What I will do is I will run this for 3 weeks. I am unsure of what the date is right now, so I'll pop round here when it's going to end. Also, you have to be over 18 as well, or get your parents' permission. I don't want to be sending you random stuff and your parents are like, who's this from? So yes. Have I left anything out? I feel like there should be more info than that. I hope I haven't left anything out. Any questions, just ask me below. It's quite late at night, I'm tired. But yeah, I hope that's enough for you guys. I tried my best. And I will see you in the next haul, and it will be the last Boxing Day haul, but it's a huge box and I didn't want to make this video too long. But yeah, please do enter, leave me some comments, give it a thumbs up, you know the score guys, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you very, very soon. Love you all, bye.